Joe Zucchine again. Today is July 30th, 2011. Time is 1:30 p.m. I'm in Apple Valley right now in my apartment. And check this crazy shit out. Oh, excuse me. It's raining like a motherfucker out there. Look at this. Huh. We're having some crazy weather today. Yes, sir. We're having a lot of crazy weather. And it's coming down hard. Yes, sir. And my hands are wet. So, anyway. So, that's that. I just want to show you what it is. Ooh, you hear that? That's thunder. Yeah. Let me get a hat or something so I can cover the camera so it don't get wet. There you go. Let's keep it nice and dry. Alright. Ooh, there you go. Huh. I've been praying before I lay down by your side. I don't know, man. I don't want to get the phone wet. Shit, that is coming out hardcore. You gonna walk out there in the rain? You gonna run out there in the rain?
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm walking out in the rain. I'm running. Oh shit! Door shut. Want to be on YouTube? Want to get on YouTube? Want to be famous? Alright, you don't want to get famous. Like me. I'm famous. Anyways, I ain't gonna walk out there with this phone in my hand, so I'll upload this right now, and bye.